The views and opinions expressed in this show are solely those of the hosts and guests and do not reflect the views of the AMP network. Parental guidance is advised for viewers under the age of 16, as some content may include strong language. Viewer discretion is advised.
What up, fam? This is your point of view, MC Ntwana Sekase na Mapupa Setolopeni. Welcome to another episode of Polit the Pose, the hardest and the freshest podcast in the East. If you don't know, they found us. I'm not alone today. I'm here with my co-host. He can introduce himself, and we also have our guest today. Allowed to introduce themselves.
You know what it do? It's your boy Malum Slay. We embrace the masses on a regular basis.
Yo,
It's true, my daughter. Let's get on it.
Are you pinned the foot talk?
We embrace the masses on a regular basis.
Oh, I understand you, Otin.
No, I want to know that shit.
I want to know.
Yeah?
Dope intro. I want to know what's in the like issue team.
My man, Oguti, dog.
You embrace the
masses.
masses.
We embrace whoever embraces us, dog.
Yeah.
Whoever likes our vibes.
Yeah. We
We
vibe with them.
vibe with them, boy.
Straight.
On a regular basis, every day, dog.
Yeah.
Every vibe with us every day. So vibe nawe.
One way.
No maganshani.
Subscribes, like, share, comment, everything. That's
Everything.
why we say we embrace the masses towards
On a regular basis.
on a regular basis. But it's
Danko.
not about us today. Allow ikesti ethukuthi introduce ukuthi yona ubani and udume ngani if akadumanga
Usiphetheleni.
and usiphetheleni. Over to you.
Okay, hi guys.
Hello.
I'm Johnny.
Sibahle
Siyabonga,
unonjani?
Siyaphila. Igama lami unjabulo Abraham Mashinini. Bangibiza ngoBibo. So yeah, angidumanga next.
Hayi bo.
Well,
Like bangazi Jcas.
they just know you.
Yeah.
Know you for your vibes. That's all. That's all they need to know about you people.
Okay.
Why
yeah.
do they call you people?
I don't know. Like Antam Bulangibiza Bibo. I think Bingtandi choose Bibo. I don't know.
Oh.
Yeah.
Wena ukhulu ucheese wena.
Not
That's like
really.
carrot in
No,
Bibo.
guys, it's so cheese.
If people may be saying I want this same.
Thina bakithi.
No, guys.
Thingeli
No.
people want this. Angikhumbuli bangithengele 6
No, nama ngikhumbule dog. Ngikhere Bibo esikolweni.
Guys, no, I accidentally leyo, but yeah, whatever.
So do you really like le gama lika Bibo? Le nickname lika
Yeah, of course. Like, yeah, nickname yami uzoyenza njani dog?
But I feel like ukuthi ne, you can't choose a nickname jam. The more you resisting a nickname, the more
Ilali
mfethu
hlala
kuhlala khona.
Yeah.
You know, so I feel like uBibo mfethu ne do you feel like ukuthi la kusuta wena as a person?
Yeah, liyangisuza because people beyaziwa so nami ngiyaziwa.
Okay. Oh man.
bayakena.
Like hayi kule zinga lele ngifuna kulo, yangithola?
Or when ufuna ukwaziwa like kanjani?
International.
Yes.
Or you wanna know
I want to be the next something big.
which is
I don't know, influencer, I think.
Okay.
Yeah.
What
So
do
you
you
wanna-
do then if you want to be influencer?
I'm not doing anything currently, so
but mina
but like ngifuna like good push, but I can't. I need like a stable phone, so that's why.
oh
yeah.
you need like a
Maba khona
Yeah.
bomafa mos.
Never, guys. I would never, guys, never.
So in order for you to start like you need like a stable phone.
Yeah.
Uzokwazi ukushaya i-content.
So bangangidonate abantu if like
ayiwena.
ngoba meet halfway, so
Cela ngidonate uBibo,
Yeah.
please.
But they say Njami, you start small.
You start small.
Start with whatever that you have.
No, let me tell you something about doing a content talk. Like everything needs to be quality.
thank
Yeah,
you, Novish.
but also
Everything
work
needs to
with
be
whatever you
quality,
have,
mate.
dog. Like it's something that we spoke about. Ukuthi amajita abantu bashaya content ngama Android. So njam and they're going big.
So it's wrong for uBibo ukuthi then afune
I feel like yena uyazilimita.
No, akazilimiti.
Angizilimithi.
Sometimes dog, like it's your expectations
It's not-
and then the way when ufuna ukuyenza ngakhona. Sometimes maybe the content afuna ukuza naye doesn't allow him ukuthi then
Yes.
aspanise enye phone.
Thank
Yabo.
you.
And
Android
since you are the plug,
specifically.
you should like encourage ukuthi then athenge kuwe since you are the plug. I don't know why uthumela komunye umuntu. Guys, wena ukhona.
You see my brother, what you're doing? Mamela, uyazi bangibiza ngobani? Slay the iPhone what?
The iPhone plug.
Danko.
You are the plug. But
Yes.
umthumela komunye umuntu for
Why
why reason?
you know, I'm tumeling to my brother, you know.
It's humbling to your brother.
Yes.
For what reason?
Because it's my brother.
Why
I must plug.
Why ungasho uthathenge?
Ungasho ukuthi uyangiplaga ngomfo.
Okay, people, uzokuplaga. But I don't want to be a bigger person.
Uzobaleka wena
Ngithembi.
ngithemba umava because like hlala close by so it's gonna be okay.
So me, you don't trust me.
Ayinamjaya monge ngikuthemba.
Ngiyalanda lapho ePitori.
You've trusted me, and with so many people. How come you never trust me with
Trusting you ngomunye umuntu nokukutrusta ngabantu or ukukutrusta mina kufana.
But mamela njam, makayane.
Yeah.
I get your point.
Yeah. So I will advise people to go straight to iPhone store.
Yeah.
For
I
in.
would.
For ini.
Bazokapa lapha. Ichina pheli
So
exposing.
are you trying to say ukuthi andina kai afford mawuthi bazomkapa la?
Ow.
Ezushilo ukuthi ukhulele
Uchi,
cheese.
mamela.
And mengaphuza ibhibo way before when uyiphuza. Because when I growing up you said you never ushusho kanjani.
Bangakuvili.
Kanti
Nangaki.
unanga.
How
Hey,
awazi
you see-
nokuthi
you see-
nginangaki nami self.
People, I watch you grow up.
Never.
Ukhule ngaphansi kwakho. So ukhule nonke or ukhule ngaphansi kwakho.
I
So
want
makakubeka nje
you-
Melati Grootman Slay.
Never. Malume wami ngambizi malume. Ngimbiza ngekhamba.
Why ungabizi malume wakho ngomalume?
No. Why?
Ku wrong.
I personally ngiyithanda into yokubiza abantu malume.
Malume mamncane.
Auntie.
Mlanda ngegama.
Okay.
Yeah.
Umama wakho kuphela umbiza ngomama.
Sometimes get depend.
So okay, sharp. Abazukulu like your abashana nephews and bakubiza bani?
Ganko people.
Uncle.
Uncle B.
Ganko.
Ganko.
Gay uncle.
Oh.
Ganko.
Oh.
Yeah.
Serious?
Hypo.
Hey, we have learned something today.
I didn't know about that.
And then when you are a gay and they call you
Ganko.
Ganko.
Gankle. There are so many gankles out there. So we used to
man.
mention them.
And then they must come out and call themselves Gankles.
Gankle. You are
And
a
you-
gankle.
and-
If unomshana
and you
and
be
the
cool.
wena or you know. So how you like yes. Uvele wavuka ekuseni like what mina. Ufuna uyodlalela leli linye iqembu.
Adlalelwa.
How did you say
Adlalelwa.
that?
Salwa ngalo.
So you were born with it.
Yeah.
When did you discover Gucci you were gay?
Like dala ngasho kanjalo. I can say that dala. But
what
like
is Dala.
ukuphuma like ukuthi yimi gay ngiphume grade 9 ekhaya. So yeah.
How did
Grade
they
nine.
take you again like you coming out?
They were
Because, like,
okay, but like my mom bega homophobic but like man you're right.
ngoba like umzali uyamtrain. So
Yeah, I'm trainer mara.
Bathi sihlwila abazali.
Sticks.
Yes, sabahlula abazali man.
So like you never had things for girls.
So you tell me Gucci you've never had pussy.
No.
People.
Like a gaze vele like
okay.
next.
Never, dog, like never.
Like you've never kancane nje tsuifi.
Soze sana.
And I think that's a good thing, you know, because like you are staying true to yourself and
True.
to what you are and stuff like that. You know? Because I don't understand good and then why, especially I'm a lesbian. Umuntu lesbian marunengus.
And the footy, they are still getting hit by amachita.
Amachita.
Yes.
Yeah, girl.
So yeah, I mean I never.
You've
Gay as
never,
fuck.
You've never had things for girls.
Even now, dog. Now future never.
Can I ask you a personal question? So your friends, you have you have girlfriends, right? So if they butt in front of you, it doesn't.
Like you see Nyash every day and it like hi
I
to
do like mara like you know my friends, dog. Like
I sabela kuba in that view.
kanjani.
Kuba mehlo wakho.
like always viewing Nyash. Unokwabamba amabelo wabo vele.
Hayibo siyabambisana. Let me go.
People, can I be you kancane nje?
Now.
Oh, so okay, how can you grow boobs vele? Because I see a lot of gays have.
I am not
boobs on
gays, transgenders, guys.
Oh,
There's
I'm
a
not
huge
transgender.
difference. Yeah.
So
About
if
Jalena, for example.
if you had money, you would do it.
No, I'm not like a transgender. I'm gay.
Oh, you are gay.
Yeah.
So you are gay is like you are gay, very like
Gay bottom. Gay bottom.
Gay, and I was going to ask the I bottom or
I'm
Hey,
bottom,
can you
guys.
the bottom and what and the top?
And the top,
versatile.
So,
the top
what's the
is
difference?
one-
I wanna know.
Top is the one that chows, and the bottom is the one that get chow.
How do you know about that, my brother?
It's knowledge, common knowledge. If you
No, I don't know.
Yeah.
Me,
But
I don't know.
yeah.
No, that's the thing.
Everyone knows, but like,
I wanna be taught. That's the thing. That's why we here.
or you wanna be tall.
Yes.
Even a young one who has good in the top.
You don't know about
I
that.
think we discover also sexually active lento leyo.
What's your top or your bottom?
Yeah.
So you are sexually active when.
So
No,
what
I'm
you
not.
Are you alive?
Guys, mama, no. Why do you feel like mama may book a letter and then you see those letters with me?
So- can I ask a question?
Mm.
Are you
What?
if let's say you hit both men and girls are you being called gay? Are you
Bisexual.
validated to be gay
No, bisexual.
We are bisexual.
or bisexual?
Yeah.
We after 9.
No, fish, no.
No, I'm
Hey,
say that.
but say that.
No, guys, you can't
Bisexual
say
or
that.
After 9.
Like, kana ba fana about bisexual, kana ma after 9, anga's difference in but like,
Like,
Like, yeah, nothing from what's the difference between a bisexual and an after 9.
okay,
But it's the
it's not
same
sure
thing.
it's the same thing.
but you're not
Mara
agreeing with
bakhona
us.
like abo guy ngasho ukuthi like bayasho ukuthi like bona ba bisexual, you get me, and then after 9 laba bazotext like bafuna
Oh.
so
Bisexual,
yeah.
we are out there, people they know.
They
Yeah,
know.
they
Sharp,
know
but-
ukuthi-
Ulaba sifihlayo. Ngane ngamakhona.
And there's this thing.
We
ne,
see you,
there's
brothers.
this thing, us gents, street gents, when we entertain you guys, you end up calling us after 9. Why? Because I feel like when we treat you the way
The way, ngakhona.
and another way esinibona ngakhona, because if I treat you as a girl, that means I have accepted ukuthi wena
Cherry,
ucherry,
yeah.
and I should
Yes.
treat you njengocherry. But once I start treating you njengocherry, I'm not saying you, Ane. I'm saying most of you guys,
Yes.
Yes,
you,
They have entitlement.
yeah,
Guti, once you
gender in, because
yeah.
now there's a third gender. I can say that.
Fourth.
No, I call it a third gender because most of them mangisha make
Oh, gay and lesbians,
lesbians dog like
We mustn't even
sorry
tap
to
on
say
that,
this, but I don't take I'm a lesbian serious.
Serious, that's not
Because today you are a
Why?
lesbian, sasa you pass nyash. Like
Okay, can I tell you something, my brother? I was like my ex called me, one of my ex marang phone give me, I'm dating a girl. Ane? And then I still want you back. I'd be like, hey Joe, you are dating a girl, so that means you must
who are
call-
you?
Yeah,
Sure,
he
it's
told-
bisexual.
Should you bisexual?
Yeah.
And then ngambuza ukuthi, okay, Sharp, you want me to be in a relationship with you and athi wawuthreatenisha intombazana. I'd be like, hey Joe, angazi nenza nani, nifaka nama dildo or whatever things that you do.
So when the people will you date a bisexual person?
Me, personally,
Yeah.
it's kind of like straight giants. So
Like
straight.
or straight chance. Like
Ma-
you fall for straight chance.
Yeah.
Mara, okay, Sharp, now actually, like, okay, if you're straight, when you're is straight, if I sleep with you, am I not bisexual?
Because I
I
smash you.
could
I
say,
smash
Yeah, smash you.
I could say, but me, I prefer like straight niggas. I love straight niggas.
Or you love straight niggas.
Yeah.
Kahle kahle wena you preferably after 9, the so-called after 9. Because
Yeah,
I know you
marai
can't get
lawa
too long.
adlala ngabantu. Yeah.
Laba tepa
Like so dlala ngami, like angifuni udlala ngemizwa yami. No.
Oh.
You can't play with
So
my
you guys
feelings.
have like
Imizwa.
imizwa.
Yeah, I
for
both
guys,
sing
like-
about guys like some human beings. What do you mean? Like, what do you mean? She
I
goes,
don't mean anything.
and
but-
I'm after nine, vela anjalo, vela. I treat her like not like we trash, or like not so dope and shit. So that's why, like,
It's your
no.
opinion or speaking from experience?
Speaking from experience,
Yeah, 50-50.
50-50.
Yeah.
they've hurt you. Have you ever had a stable relationship, and how long did it last?
I'm still in a serious relationship.
No,
Currently dating.
Yeah, I am.
a straight
Like,
guy.
so-
4 years, yeah.
I-
A straight guy.
Yeah, no.
Unomuntu.
Okay, sort of. But
Oh, okay.
like
Confused.
mara, masculine, none, so like, yeah.
So he doesn't have a girlfriend, or he's not.
No, never.
Umfihlelana.
And I can't bother cabang.
Hayi bo. Hayi.
Ngihamba naye and
Hayi bo.
Mina zange like nginaki.
azange
Awunaki.
unaki, no.
And you wouldn't even notice, my brother.
Yeah.
That's the
And
thing.
mina ngine amnesia dog like yazi
Don't
mina-
forget
Ngoba ngathi
this,
ngiyazi,
ne?
yo,
So,
bruh.
yeah.
Angeke
Like
umkhumbule talk the picture.
Who approached who?
Yeah.
I approached it like back then.
On the DMs, man.
Yeah, Facebook and shit.
I'm falling for you.
I'm falling for you.
So like your gender, ne? Why when you guys are dating and stuff like that, ne? And why most of you like mfihla?
Sifihla.
Yes.
Yeah, but
Hayi
Ole
ukuthi
co-
mfihla, not
like
ukuthi
saying
mfihla
it.
like ukuthi uyi-gay, ufihla ukuthi
No,
uyajola.
ujola and bafihla labo
Ujola
guy
nobani?
Like that's why because like bayatshontshelaana.
Bayatshontshela.
Yeah.
as gays.
Yeah, bayatshontshelaana.
What the fuck?
Like
I feel like it's normal to do that because
no, it's not. Because like ufuna uzomtshela ukuthi like ukupha kanjani and then uzohamba.
that's your problem, guys. And like I feel
And
like
then-
even Namache.
And then we win, dog.
Even
with that.
Namache.
Yeah.
And you guys feel like lento leyo ukuchoma or something. And I feel like he has promoted and then he's promoting.
Into
and right
enjalo,
doing- Shout out to
njalo.
everyone that is doing that. Ne?
Eh, ndoda.
They say don't kiss and
Shout
tell.
out
ne?
to
But
you,
for
baby.
us, yeah, we shouldn't kiss and tell. Ne?
Yeah.
But for girls,
For girls, if they kiss and
you
tell,
guys, if you kiss and tell, like shout out to you.
and
Please
then the
continue
girls,
doing that.
they're your friends.
Yeah.
They come for us.
Continue telling your friends how we smash.
Yes, and then they
I feel
come-
sorry, and I feel sorry for Amachita that are getting bad compliments. Like,
Yo,
usha one round
usha
alal
one round
and stuff like
alal.
that. I feel
What would you
sorry
do
Mara
for
that
wena
to
you.
yourself?
ungafila kanjani? Shaye one round ulala.
Mara,
As a
awusana
person, I
stamina.
don't have stamina, Joe.
Awu
Like,
stamina
you guys-
sikho.
Mara bowudlala ibhola unastamina kanjani? Bowulasta kanjani?
Ah, phela ngisho khona bangadlali ibhola. Khona laba nebangadlali ibhola.
Because I'm an energy drink or something, guys. Like,
So the person that you're currently dating, like umuntu vele since ujona naye, since you started being in this gender from the longest time, have you been in other relationships?
angeke ngithi relationship but like
Sneakelings.
yeah,
Ayu, man.
smashing,
Eduduza.
passing. Eduduza, yeah.
And I heard, ne, there's some girl, ne,
Head
there's some
what?
girl, ne, who told me ukuthi there are a lot of after nines.
True.
Eduduza.
There are a lot of after nines.
Eduduza.
Akhona vele people.
Yeah, khona and maningi shem.
Hayi wena.
Oh.
Yeah.
And siyabazi.
Abanye
Sile
siyabazi.
mgungundlovu.
Siyabazi.
Zamani. Yabo
Emgungundlovu. What the fuck?
Oh, le mgungundlovu
Yo
bye.
dog. Yo.
What? Okay,
Fucked
shut.
up.
I'm lost. What's Mgungundlovu, boy?
Se konje man khala nibe konje kuphi?
Mgungundlovu semashaba.
Yeah.
Oh.
Mgungundlovu, like they portray it as Mgungundlovu. Like, you know, like Alex Sensing. Yabo.
Okay,
because
I get you.
dusty,
I get you.
yabo.
Oh, it's dust and everything.
Nina niya
Also,
netselwa,
okay, sharp.
sinetselwa ngapha.
Comparing Mgungundlovu and Mashaba and Cold Breeze combined and Emaskopasini and Ekasi. Stats thini.
Ngiyasho ukuthi imgungs ba.
Uthi mgungs, bro.
Imgungzi
Like,
maningi.
uthi mgungundlovu like
Gungs
a
about like the ghetto, like
Yeah.
Lelo side
zamani,
lelo.
like.
Because
Abanye
Ekasi
siyabazi.
nigcwele and then yabonana vele.
Mara nasekasa khona, mara mancane, mara
And
akhona.
sawazi ne, famous futhi.
Akhona famous, akhona angekho famous.
Niggas,
And angeke
come out of the
ngibe drop,
closet.
guys.
We are watching you.
But I still don't know why niyenza lento niyenza.
Abo bani?
Nina, I'm talking about your gender.
Hey.
You guys
Senzeni dog.
yeah, I'm trying to explain. You guys ungithola nge-straight uzongitsho ukuthi ndiyena
Ngiyakuthanda.
chow your chocolate box and you know I don't chow chocolate box.
One
Liyabhajwa
thing-
libuya nodaka. And I'm
Litshela wena ukuthi libuya nodaka novish. Alibuyi nodaka if uyenzani bayadutsha or something.
when we're young, Leon.
How does it feel, dog?
Like ukupeta, guys. Like,
Or like
so,
beta.
Yeah.
So can you please like take us?
To your first time.
Hey guys,
Take us on your first time, man.
every day mabazokuchawa kuba ngathi first time.
I went.
Why wena? Khona abanye bathi abasafili next, man.
I
So-
should go to busy shem
So-
last star.
According to you, is it the size or the performance?
The
that
performance.
matters?
Hey guys, performance.
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 Khona like abashaya ngento encane and khona lo kayilo incane ne but like
Yeah,
yes,
but-
yes, yeah.
Stamina.
Yeah, we evolve.
Yeah.
No, mara, guys, ne. Let's be honest.
Honest.
Let's be honest, ne. Abochera bas, okay, sharp. Anazi uthi nifunani, ne. Mostly, ne. Let me tap on the girls' side, ne. Abazi bafunani. Uza ngento encane bafuna into enkulu. Uza ngento enkulu ibhlungu. Bafuna into medium. Uza ngento medium khala nge 2 minutes. So, mamela, umuntu 2 minutes, how do you take that? Let's say, ne, a guy comes, ne, like you've never experienced it with that guy, ne, and ukushange 2 minutes. How would you take it? Go to Mnandi or Uwiki.
Very deep. Yazi ngizoyenza. If like yabole 2 minutes ne. You one round like
Checker.
like if kule 1 round uyenza kube ngathi like 3 rounds. Yeah, lapho ngizoyi accept.
No.
Kule 2 minutes
No, but 2
Yeah,
minutes
yeah.
it can't be. No, my man.
No.
No,
2
like
minutes, it
we are
should be-
VTs.
Yeah.
Like
Mara-
we are.
Layer 2 minutes like should be worth a while.
Yeah, like
should be worth it. dog.
Maramfana,
Like it should be worth it. Dog.
satisfied.
it can't be worth it. Go 2 minutes, no man. 2 minutes,
I
not
know. Yo,
it can't be worth it. Umuntu to pop up and then
Khona
suddenly.
abantu abalishaya isende. Like oh. But
Like
it is
yabaningi
what I-
crown yango.
Hayi ngiyabani abanye.
Shout out
So-
to who?
I never that.
Or you can mention names.
Oh, man,
So do you well, let's say you're chilling with your friends, and then they tell you like, yo, cause you know I was with
My boyfriend. Hey, man, to story. Don't mention me, my brother. Yeah. Don't mention my brother.
yourself and smashing that guy,
My experience so
or of
It's
being
not
told
that-
that
Okay. Okay. I don't wanna.
I could like ish angitshelile yes ne.
I'm
Kanti uguy naye ukulezinye engilifunayo like uyangifuna uguy yabo. So sasmesha.
Okay, as a bottom, ne,
Yes,
do you approach niggas?
No. If like ngikuqalele yes I would.
So
What?
How do you take rejection?
Oh, it's painful.
Like
bro.
you approach and you're hey, mina Joe, like I don't.
But like into engiyibonile ngabafana baseduduza ne like abasmesha amagay ukuthi like bayababhadala.
what?
Akazi ngayenza lento le and anyeke
No,
ngiyenze.
gays pay the guys.
Yeah. Khona abafana like but desperate like
Oh, they do anything for money.
yeah.
Okay, they
Like I'm a voucher like
you're
What
trying
the
to tell
fuck?
me and then niggas smash gays, then I'm a gay apatala.
Abapatala. Hey.
And they again, it's
like
true.
buying-
You know why?
It's like buying
There are a
peace.
lot of gay ang approachila dog.
Yes, my
But-
brother.
And then they say they will
And
give me
obviously-
money. And
I mean-
I'm like, nah. I don't think it's worth
Smash,
it.
you tell me man.
No, you know why? You know why, ne?
What?
Babua.
Especially when
Babua. Babua.
I know from a friend of mine, eh, you know, ne, I know for a friend of mine, I don't want to mention him because once you speak about him,
I think I know him.
Yes, but I don't want to tap into it. But once and I know a lot of guys,
Abasmeshile
Yeah.
kuye, yeah.
you know, because like he's outside lawyer papa and stuff, and
Yeah.
I did that shit.
And uyamazi nonovi so angeke name drop.
No, see again.
Asiyidropini.
That's wrong, Joe. Like that's wrong. Why are you doing that to yourself? Don't do that to yourself, guys. Don't do that to yourself.
Don't
No.
kiss and tell.
No.
Why?
No, girls
Oh,
should kiss
ma.
and tell. Like seriously, on a serious
Yeah.
note, girls, please continue kissing and telling because like
Yes,
you're
we are
promoting us,
yes,
guys, ne?
and we like
You
it.
and we like it.
Thank
we like
you.
it because sometimes we make our job easy.
Easy.
Like ngizwile ngawe.
Ngizwile ngawe bathi wena uyalishaya.
Ngizwile ngawe.
And bathi and you know what they say ne? Bathi ngizwile ngawe mara wena ngikufuni or wrong. And then they trying to mold it. And it's not nice, man. When they do it.
You feel like, how do you feel about negative impact that comes from people like why we gay sawanyanya ma gay and why ningasayenzi le movement yenu
Mina anginayo le experience like negative impact.
like people love you
Yeah, because dala like gay, so akaze like bang bash or anything.
So what are the things that you are proud of being in this community, LGBTQI community?
I'm proud ngayo.
Yeah.
Because abantu bayangithanda like phela.
Yeah, ne.
That's it.
That's it.
We are livable.
Yeah.
kumnandi uku-acceptiwe ne
Yeah, kakhulu you're
Yeah,
fucked
ne.
up, dog. Especially.
And but one thing I love about you, our papi, man.
Yeah.
we are pap
I'm happy, dog.
Just that you don't
Shy,
know.
no
it's just that you don't know
Try
to hang around with people. Try to hang around with people and
ngiyakwazi, that's why like ngipapa mangikwazi ngizopapa of course, but like mangakwazi like
I don't disregard
shy.
him or how do I her?
him you're not a him
You know her.
No,
No,
guys.
yeah,
her.
No,
The
yeah,
mother her.
I'm a pronouns with him,
oh him
He she.
him pale.
he she
He she.
Never they that.
Why?
Him. Ay, him no vish.
and I so wish like one thing ngakubona inside the dress shy dress
Wow,
with
dog.
heels
Yeah,
like this
like
girl, konje ubani?
Beyonce.
Beyonce
Obviously transgender or people
Like,
gay
whoa.
guys.
Okay, can I ask that? How much does it cost to be a transgender? Like,
Uchinja.
uchinchile vele like second pussy vele.
800,000. Gonna pussy. No, it's expensive.
Also,
doesn't have a
thinking-
pussy I thought she has pussy
Oh no, me my brother.
But
Hi,
smash him
dog.
over.
I thought she had pussy
No, but smash him over, guys.
I thought. Can the transgender yini?
Transgender oba intoma like ufuna like
half
ngathi
ntombazana
uzalwe emzimbeni wabafana,
Aye.
but like phakathi intombazana.
No, I think maybe
uzalwe
like,
emzimbeni
my
wabafana
definition.
phakathi intombazana
Yeah.
so automatically these things grow or uyaziyenza
Uyaziyenza
There's I think there are pills for hormones or
Yeah,
something like that.
hormone pills,
But
yeah.
no, that's
Highway.
I mean eat transgender. From my knowledge, ukuthi uyahamba uyochinchisa your penis to be your a vagina or your
If you
vagina
have
to,
money,
so that's not transgender then.
man, you have boobs though.
That's pills. You drink pills for hormones.
don't you want boobs
No.
why
Why? You wanna hold that thing?
Gay.
or I'm a
bottom,
transgender
gay.
ila wazitshintshayo
Yeah.
then kuba nama-gay
Yeah.
kuba nalezi
Angekho
bisexual bese kuba
Kuba nama-after nine.
Bese kuba nama-after 9 all right Sande has something to say
Like, ne, when I say you're transgender, like from what I know,
Yeah,
you
yeah,
can
yeah.
identify as a transgender in as much as you don't have your money for top and bottom surgery, because that is cosmetic surgery. Medical aid doesn't like cover those things.
Cover those things,
So
yeah.
if you don't have money to do those things, you can still identify yourself as trans.
As trans.
Yes.
You can identify yourself.
As trans.
But Mamela, as mina, I know the whole transgender like theory thing, ne? It's like you change your sexual like thingy part to be like whatever exchange of sexual parts and everything. So I mean that's what I know. Gucci, we are exchanger. Maudla ma hormones. That's I feel like that's being gay and everything.
No, you're still transitioning. You are
Yeah.
transitioning. You are in the process of being a trans. Pela, angisho nakhona transitioning. Even if you're going to do top and bottom surgery, you still need to take hormones in order for you to be able to have those genitals or to have those boobs, because there's certain hormones that make that possible. You get what I'm saying?
Okay,
Yeah.
Thank you so much. I learned something. At least.
oh this shit is complicated bro I would
Oh,
say.
it is.
like it's a really complicated
Very.
Yeah, like I want to ask you Nestle like as a cheater ne as a cheater would you do it when
I never,
smash
my
a
brother.
gay for money? Let's say if some approach you and be like
And Mamela.
dog I can plug you 1 million now.
Mamela, my one of the brothers of mine who he's a top DJ ne, in Pretoria ne.
Yeah,
So we went had the PS sport ne.
sure.
So that guy is a photographer about for the top people, you know. So he told me, he asked me the same question. Was an about so means, what to give me another? So means if can say and so means it's people will be like, I can buy you a Golf 8 munch. I wanted.
Would you?
I'll be like, I know my pride. I'll be like, because you never had. I'll go one buzu to name automation. That's no. What's at least I. That's why uzothi no manje.
Iba
But
nemoto,
iba
like
nemoto.
experience ukuba nemoto.
Yeah, yabona manje.
Then
in the-
awusabi nayo. Then someone approaches you and be like,
you see, that's the
mina-
thing. Yabo, so nje mina, I feel like I wouldn't do it. I don't think Gucci my penis would wake up for any daughter. No, I don't think. Ngeke.
So your penis will be like, okay,
Oh.
bayisakhe manje sakuba yigay. Angeke ivuke, like your penis will identify ukuthi,
Straight njami.
you're lying, bruh.
Yombheka kanje.
Nah, you're lying. dog.
Yombheka kanje ngithi what are you doing
Ah,
man?
dog, you're lying.
No, like serious, my brother.
Ngiyakutshela yeke ukucama manga dog.
You're lying. So since you said you are dating Nepiu, and then, like, do you trust your person? Like, do you think like Nai, he feels the same way about you, and he's not interested in other people or in other ngatsina machair? Like, he's into Verde.
Ayi angazi ubisha ngihlezi nginaye so mara uthi uyangithanda so
Wena uthini?
Wena uthini?
nami ngiyamthanda.
No.
So he wouldn't do you date? Or would
Yeah,
you do her date?
ngiyamthemba. Mina shem ngimenzile idate shem umntana abanjazi mara
So do you guys use condom?
akaze ngalala naye.
No.
Oh, 4 years.
Yeah, I swear to
ngeke,
God.
people
4
say
years.
bantwana ngeke.
So wow. 4 years no smashing.
My
4
brother.
years no smashing.
Ngiyakutshela
No,
nathi.
you're lying.
Simbuze shem.
You're lying.
Ubani simbuzi?
4 years no smashing.
No, I ubani
No,
lo?
ngifuna ukusimbuza.
Yes, mesombuzo
No,
uzoshela
ngifuna
pia.
simbuze.
Hey.
No way.
Singamfonela simbuze.
Oh,
Yeah,
simfonela.
I'm phoning.
Mara yakutshela akazi like
Whoever that is dating people, guys, you deserve better.
You deserve better.
You
Uyakuphika
deserve
manje.
better.
Uyakuphika.
You deserve
Thola umuntu
better.
omunye.
If you haven't smashed, dog, you like.
ibody count yakhe ku-1 naye.
Hayibo.
Ikuwan like kanjani? Ikuwan kuwe.
Khe walala nomuntu oyi-1 kuphela.
Phela.
Hayibo.
After lapho wajola nawe.
Huh?
Are you guys asexual?
No. I
You're
think
not-
yeah now.
So like you're dating for vibes.
Yeah, I
You
think.
haven't been having sex for 4 years.
Yeah.
That's a lie.
Aye.
That's a lie.
God, like ayibo guys nyantshela.
That's a lie.
Dog, now I don't believe it.
Azikiza.
asexual,
Azikiza.
vele.
Azikiza.
Now I don't believe it.
Nah,
I
no.
wouldn't fall for it. So when you have to put the count it in.
It's a 3.
Yeah. People. People shell ukuthi une-Nicky Link manje.
Nicky Link. There's a lot of after nine.
Awu ndoda.
Hayi kusukela ngilala nama after 9
And then you
wonke
forget
ayibo
what you
guys.
say.
Don't tell me ukuthi wonke ama after nine approach like you never smashed.
Abanye ngisimeshile of
Yes,
course.
and then 3.
Mara guys
You forget
like,
what you
okay,
say,
when everybody count yakhe it's it. Eyakhe it's
Yeah, okay.
It's 3 kuwonke umuntu.
No, I am 83.
Buza abogel manje leli nabo.
Eyami ithi 400 plus.
Abayi-3. Wena bathe 50. Khona le comment engiyibonile 50 plus.
400 plus.
Wena?
Mina 200 plus.
Ay mara no. Ay 3 eyami.
Ay, 3 you are lying.
Yazi ufana namantombazana.
Are you socially active?
Amantombazana azokutshela ukuthi mina
I am, but
I have a body count of 2.
But okay,
Ayinyuki.
since you are sexually active, ne, like you are being snatched by the umuntu oyi-1.
Ay bang.
Ungathi awazi. you
Ungathi
can't say
awazi man.
awazi.
People man, be free man. Let's talk man. Let's engage.
People don't want to engage in that.
Yazi kuyenza okay guys.
Ufihla okuningi ne.
How-
Yazi
yazi
kuyenza
ne-
kalani? Okay guys ne. Anyeke okay yeah ngilala leyo sneaky link maybe like A1 ne.
So you're cheating.
Yeah, we are cheating.
Vele,
It's
of
confirmed.
course.
But you are in a relationship on 4 years.
So, guys,
It's a joke.
it's not a joke.
It's a joke. We can't
It's
date for 4 years,
not.
Joe. Ungangithintisi.
Ngeke
Oh, mfethu. Oh, mfethu. Oh,
What if like his size? Phela ngisho uyangitshengisa size like what if ngithi no?
Hayibo.
Inkulu.
Kanti wena uthe
Also,
For my-
abanye ama-size amakhulu kahle kahle kuwe
Awu,
don't
mafuni.
qualify.
Yeah.
Thank God we don't
Ngikaka
qualify.
ngale nto phela.
Thank God we don't qualify.
hayi. Ane vele siphethe imilaka nje. Ithinta la
Don't
idolweni.
qualify. Please don't slide on our
Ithinta la
DMs.
idolweni.
Don't
Ithinta la
slide in our
idolweni.
DMs.
Don't try me.
Machita, if you got a small penis there.
Damn, I'm tshwere anaconda.
And then when
Hit me up. I am your girl.
Yes.
Mara
Utshwere
500
anaconda.
tonight.
Damn, I'm tshwere
500
anaconda.
Yeah.
Are you selling?
Yeah?
No, I'm
Yeah,
not.
you're actually promoting. You're actually promoting.
Magne OnlyFans, so please, guys.
Wow,
Okay,
shout out.
How?
Shout out.
Can I ask you?
What?
Have one of your friends sold to a guy?
No.
Akazi ba patalisi tax?
How do you feel, very like asking for Umavu 16?
Yeah.
Aibo, guys.
What's your take? on
Melupe.
asking-
Okay, what's your
Of
take
course.
then?
So are they
Hypo.
selling? By saying is abantu abacela Umavu 16.
No, guys, kind of like abanye abafana like mawuqeda ukulala nayo bakuphi imali, of course.
So you are used to
Wena mawuqela mawuyifuna.
uyakupha or uyayiqela? Uyakunika or uyayiqela?
khona mele ubacele khona abakuphayo.
Okay,
Khona
doesn't
abasala.
that
Wrong, guys.
That's right.
Things.
So
Yeah.
aren't you selling ngokuyenza
Ma-
lokho?
You not.
Aibo
guys.
kanjani?
I feel like it's a
This
pick
thing
and
is not
pay.
for free. Kanti push
I
ayikho
feel
for
like
free.
it's a pick and pay. I pay then I pay.
Guys.
I feel like
Kanti nento
I
ayikho
pay.
for free le.
Free kubani? Hayi kimi.
So it's not for free. Okay, let's say people you approach and okay, then you are like, dude, I wanna smash, you know, and I'm like, after smashing, I want money.
Would you agree that?
Or it's a sort of agreement. We are exchanging goods and services.
Guys.
ukuthengisa lokho.
I mean, if there's money offered after sex, it's prostitution.
Thank
you.
Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. The second there is a payment or a transaction of
Yeah.
any sort. We have sex, I give you a car. We have sex, I give you jewelry. We have sex, I pay for your haircut. It's a transaction.
I wanted that.
It's sex in exchange for something else. It is classified as prostitution.
Yeah, man.
But even if the intent is not that, that's why Bati Amavuso and whatever. Sometimes you in your mind it's not that. It's maybe nigga because I like you.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm giving you money. I like you. Or
Oh, yeah,
also,
yeah.
you know what? You need to
Offering.
get home, take care of
Yeah,
yourself.
yeah, yeah.
Here's something.
It should come out of my
Out of
willingness.
my-
Yeah.
The principle, even if it comes from whatever your intent
My-
is,
yeah,
the fact
yeah.
that it's a transaction. That's why even when you donate blood, paperwork they ask you, have you gotten paid for sex?
Yeah?
Yes. There's documents that ask you, how?
Donation.
Never.
Igazi lami eline-HIV. So thasa abantu imagine.
So you being in a relationship for 4 years, basakuphila man.
Umfana.
Yeah.
I fucked up.
For what reasons? From Jolo.
For umjo.
So do you feel like-
Shemyaz?
Uyakuthanda but you don't smash, guys.
Yeah. Angikho ready ukusmasha naye.
So okay, let's say you succeed in life, and okay, will you continue dating that person, or you will elevate, you will go for?
Another person.
If kuhamba kahle.
If you come back, if
you
he
come
treats
back.
you right,
Yeah.
Do you
but
have a
still you
crush?
cheat on him.
Crush unayo? Celebrity crush mhlambe.
Yeah, lezo of course. No.
Can I?
Ubani?
Lodge.
I think.
Oh,
ne,
une crush ku lodge. Wow,
Hayi
that's
bo.
nice. That's
why
nice.
Ndruma big man?
Hayi boss ngamthola
Big dream, big deposit. Big dream, big deposit.
Awuna crush wena celebrity.
No, I don't do crushes.
Mina nginayo.
Mina nginawo ama crush.
Devin Cock.
Devin Cock, and
Yeah.
Yeah, my brother.
Yeah.
Smash lapha, ne?
I'm working so hard. Even noma ngamthola sekagugile Devin Coco, I'm coming.
Coming for you.
I'm coming for you.
Coming for you.
I'm coming for you.
And I know this one, I believe.
I wouldn't mind.
But Mina, I don't
Smash,
believe in
right.
crushes, my brother.
Noma ungathola nje.
You don't believe in crushes.
I
Why?
don't. You know why, ne? Mina, I feel like if I want you, ne, like ngizokulanda, and then
If you reject her.
and then it's fine ngiphumile.
Boundaries,
Oh,
dog.
ngiyakuthola.
You know?
Boundaries. Like you need to lento tifana no apply for umsebenzi. You need to meet the requirements.
That's it.
How can I
Mina,
approach you Devin Coco mfethu?
I know, Chief. You wouldn't know.
I wouldn't know you're lying, dog.
Mamela nje yami. That's the thing.
Yeah, problem ukuthi, and then I need to convince her in order
Kanjani umconvince ngani?
Amela ngimshare.
What if she likes you, boy?
I should meet the requirements.
Yes, that's the thing.
I should meet the requirements, dog.
Maphi ama requirements, dog?
Requirements.
Maphi?
Dog, levels. There's
No,
levels to
there's
it.
never levels in dating, my brother.
There's
Let me tell you
levels,
something,
bruh.
yeah.
There's
Let me tell you
levels.
something.
Dog,
My brother, my brother, you've dated like, girls that you.
I never thought I would date.
Yes.
And then-
Mabota, you
but
like-
And then.
I want to ask you something. So you, as you view me, you think like I will never date Mabota.
I was just joking.
No,
dog.
I'm not talking bad or anything.
Yeah.
And I don't care now. You go to Itata Kanjan, but I made her.
Yes,
you guys-
Yes.
No,
You guys know Mabota because of me. You guys know Mabota.
Ziyakhala.
Do
Ziyakhala.
that.
No, like
Ziyakhala.
that's why I always say, dating me it's an achievement.
And then Jame, I like the confidence.
I'm not speaking bad. Yeah,
You
my
must have
confidence
a
is higher than the
confidence.
president's salary.
It
That's why-
with a K.
Yeah,
Confidence.
yeah. Dating me will eventually elevate your life
Yeah, but
in whatever you are doing.
love.
Yeah, Gav. Because dog, like I can see people being around me. Yeah, Gav. Once you're around me, ne, like they will be like, who is fair number one? Well, you groove is number two. And you can't hang around with me if you can't dress. Because I can dress.
I'm fine, Jame.
You see. So I taught Umabota a lot of things.
And you are proud.
And I'm proud. And I'm not ashamed to say it. Like she will ask me ukuthi and then I mangagcoka into enakanje
Izofanela na.
Cela ungikhaphe, let's go
Yeah,
shopping.
yeah. And
Yabo.
you be like, this and this
Yakawa.
would fit you, this and this
Like
would, you know.
I was a healthy
would suit you.
competition to her. Yabo. Because like you figure be like, Ish, I want to wear your hoodie today. Can I wear your sneakers today?
Mara yamkhumbula
No, I
low
don't.
key nawe.
As Sakchela, ne, let's go back to that thing. Ne. Me and my dog, ne, I'm the ugliest nigga. Ne? But,
That's how you view yourself.
yeah. But either way, ngibambi inkazana
That's your
ezinhlwembu.
heart.
Yeah, it's all. So that's me. Which mean I don't set standards. I don't set boundaries. I go for what I want.
But end of the day, they do
Ngiyazokuthola.
research about you.
Either way, if you research, you will find nothing.
You'll find that no, they are not falling for you, bruh. They are falling for the person that you are.
How? Oh, ma.
If umuntu nje endoda phela mawuzosho kanjalo dog, that's why I say you must meet you tanga. If mangabe uyaqoma, you are meeting the requirements. Unama requirements le tanga. Echerini good like echer must meet these requirements. Ezushilo ukuthi and then uthanda echer enani nyash.
Yini important ngenyash kanti yeah?
No, you need to have
Ishane,
nyash. You will
you
never
need to have
understand.
nyash. Ish,
You will
man,
never
mele ube
understand that.
nenyash,
You need to have
man.
nyash.
I mean,
For what?
You need to have nyash. Inyash will boost your self-confidence. Ishwapa sibuhlungu. You can see it from a distance. Ishwapa sibuhlungu. Like it's really painful.
Mara bathi
And abantu
beshwapa
abaneshwapa kumele
kamnandi,
basikholele. Guys, mangabe uneshwapa kumele usikholele. Ishwapa i-disability. I-disability kumele usikholele ishwapa guys like on a serious note. You must apply
register
usikholele.
lapha eSASSA, John.
Yeah, kumele no register SASSA.
No register SASSA.
Usikholele ishwapa.
I heard ukuthi vele register SASSA for Schwab, man. And it's okay to have a Schwab. We're not body shaming or anything. It's a good thing.
It's a
And
good
ngizwile
thing.
bathi mnandi.
Yeah, ishwapa
Akazwa
bathi
It's mnandi, but it's mnandi.
Yeah,
Yes,
it's
yes.
Schwab.
And most successful relationships, they come from Schwab girls.
Yeah. Yeah.
That's what I can say.
Yeah.
That's what I can say.
So ngokubuza nepiwe is it wrong ukukutshela as a person sitsho la ne ukuthi mina ngithanda amabele amakhulu and wena unawo? Is it offensive like
It is.
Kanjani?
How?
It is. Yeah, but it's the same.
Angeke ngithathe bed.
Ngeke ngithathe bed.
Noma ngeke ngithathe bed. Bathanda abantu abanemali.
What if
Go for
uzothola
them.
i-boob job?
Unami eqineni.
Ekugcineni
Unami
unami. That means
ekugcineni.
wena abantu abanemali abakuthandi.
Abakuthandi.
Yeah, that means abantu abanemali abakuthandi.
It's like that.
Unami ekugcineni.
Unami.
Awunamali but you are here. You are settling for
Yakho Chris Brown
whatever.
bekakhona.
Yeah.
Bathi hey Chris Brown esigcineni usala nami uThemba.
Usala nami.
Usala nathi singabothemba. Sikuthengele ikota.
Sikuthengele ikota.
Phela. Finish enhlava. Anyeke akusiwo wonke umuntu ozothola ama blesser or ama big ballers or ama ini konje babiza ngani amagutsumela. Akusiwo wonke umuntu ozowathola amagutsumela.
And
So
girls
mele
love amakutsumela. Now you also love amakutsumela.
yathana.
Hi.
Why?
Angiwathandi.
Why?
Hey bo, guys, why mina ngithanda amagutsumela?
You don't love money.
ngiyayithola ekhaya why vele
Oh, konje vele.
Oh,
angikhulelanga emalini
Ah,
guys.
cheese.
No.
Das.
Takatisa
Angikhulelanga
Ba-
emalini.
You said you are an influencer, right?
I'm
no,
not.
you said that.
You
are
said
not an
that.
influencer. Okay, how do people?
You tryna be.
Becoming.
Oh, you
You
wanna
are
be
becoming an influencer, and I saw that you are you also an event organizer, or promoter, and stuff like that.
Like bangibhizi ethi angisilezo zinto lezo ne.
Can I
Like
ask-
bangibhizile. So
but busy to be a host,
yeah.
so that's not being an influencer.
I
You
get
feel like you
it.
got numbers.
kokubuza lapha evida bobani bashicrya nayo lapha
Abayenzani?
obashicrya nayo
Ashkara nayo kanjani?
like
Ne-
I think I heard
abekho.
I heard
Abekho.
Split the beans.
allegedly
Split the beans.
allegedly
Yeah. Khona ba ashkara nayo.
khona abashicrya nayo lapha.
Ubani mina?
Alleged not you
no,
not from
guys,
you but
Vida.
allegedly khona mele baphume ku closet
Abekho mina.
Khona da.
kulaba like nebakhona in that hosting thing.
So why don't you view yourself as an event promoter? Because
Hey,
like yeah,
you have the numbers.
it's not the first time me seeing you post them.
Second ngayithu phela. But nakhona bebangicili like bengidlulela.
And then that
Do you
means-
wanna become
Yeah.
an influencer?
Bengidlulela mina.
Oh, wena mosdlulela bathini.
Bengidlulela like on a Sunday nyaka job so
Bathi sifuna ukuyenza influencer.
like lo baba wangibiza wakhona no. Umalume wangibiza like ngaya. And then what ngakhona ukhost Saturday.
bodlulela ngama short.
So don't you feel like you have numbers?
Bible. No, maybe or like I thought let me just
No,
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 unpack.
Unawo.
Unpack is.
yeah maybe now.
Maybe unawo.
Ngiyabhilivela kimi kuthi.
So you are believing ukuthi now,
Yeah.
and that's why you are dropping content.
yeah.
And you
that's
must
why
stick to
you
it.
phone right in order to drop content.
More content.
And I feel like that thing yeah indaba ye phone akumelanga stop you must like
I
do that thing.
I would.
Do it with your phone. Be proud of your phone.
Never.
Be proud
So
of your
if
phone.
someone approaches you and be like, "Ish Joe, hey, Mina, I see the potential in you, and I want you to be my brand ambassador," would you?
Yeah, I would.
Would you
But
take that
imali
serious?
mele ibe khona involved.
Imali.
Yeah.
No, but
Kanjani?
you
I'm
but
grooming you
obvious.
as you want to be an
Maybe like-
upcoming.
Oh, okay.
But there's a start of everything.
Okay.
You know.
guys.
So maybe
So when
when
you
I
feel like awukakafiki to the part of being an
yeah,
influencer,
angafiki.
uka-influence abantu, mara ufuna ukuba influencer.
Yeah.
ngobuzi abalwela lapho chumbako.
Lela like kish kish.
Yeah, kish kish.
Yeah.
Like ushamanya amantombazana.
Yeah.
Bophisa nje. That's gender is it GBV?
It is. But
Is it GBV when a gay fights?
yeah,
Again.
it is. I'm still a boy.
No, no.
Ulwela wena.
Ulwela wena.
Like example ingilwela wena.
Is it considered as GBV?
Exactly. Ngizoboshwa of course.
So why are you doing that?
Why? Don't
Never
involve
got
yourself.
basuke bangifaka. So that's why I need. And this is sibangenela sonke.
And speaking of your friends, ne? Yeah. Khona umngane wakho ngimfuna.
I know.
Yeah, and lo mngane uthi wena. Uthi wena uyam-influence ukuthi angangicomi.
Unamanga.
Yena lo mngane wakho
Wenza
uthi she's
kanje.
falling for me.
no.
Yazi mangivela nje like
And then you must catch her, my brother.
Uthi panya panya
Angeke
and then when
amkhethe into ebuhlungu.
and then because when you am influencer.
Usho?
No, angisho
Ngiyayithemba le yami.
Ngiyamazi
Yeah.
umngane wami nami angisho.
Mara wena if uzo like why upress ama button?
Angiwapress kudala wafona kudala ngihamba.
Usho kanjalo yena. That's what she's saying.
You see now.
She's lying.
Kanjani?
Kahle.
Because like
nje.
she says like Joe like
Show me.
Mina I'm falling for you but ish ane
Nkomo Novic.
Beeps won't like it yabo.
He's a good guy.
Yabo.
Enzokuphatha
Endaba
kahle.
ukuthi wena
Man is a good guy.
No, mina
He's a
ngiyenze
good
no
guy.
mina
I feel like unothando ne mara like it's fair but like ngiyangithola.
nginothando mara ngisifele.
Yeah.
Kanjani?
Man khona labantu laba bangakhona ukuneliseka.
Uze nenye.
Mina I feel like lapha ngizoneliseka.
Uze nenye.
Because like uvala wonke ama potholes. I have identified and did my research.
Into
Yabo.
massive
The
le.
problem yazi yini inkinga yenu ne people ne.
Yeah.
You guys view me as Unovich, the social media guy. But
And abakwazi
when it
behind
comes
the
to
scenes.
love,
Nah,
I'm not there. Give me a chance.
I'm fair too.
Like,
I've always
Like niggas a chance.
I always appeal
She
for
can't give me a
that.
chance because of you. That's what she's saying.
Oh my God.
She's
what the
willing.
fuck?
Yena usho kanjalo ne uthi yena she's willing to give me a chance. The problem is you.
Yes,
She
like,
can't
yeah.
afford to lose you as a friend. So I feel like ne when you should go and speak for
Gatekeeping.
me. Yeah,
Upho.
gatekeeping. Yeah.
Upho.
You should go and speak for me, yabo. Like unkhulumele uchom. Give him that benefit of a doubt.
Of a doubt,
Yabo.
man.
If
You
you are
must-
more then
Akekho-
and don't speak bad about me when you see me a groove. You know what's in the ninja most. I'm a people's person. Yabo. I'm a people's person.
Okay,
So
baba.
ungathi mawungibona ngihage enye share be like
Yeah, we are fair.
uyicelile leyo hug. Yabo. And but I will stay true. Ngingabiyeka no MC for yena. I can even quit AMP for yena. Ngingayeka no podcaster for yena. Can you please speak for me too?
Akekho umngane wakho nyana mfuna.
But like kuyabaza abangani bami.
Ungangilandeli.
Bazelaphi,
Ungangilandeli.
Abo ayanda.
Oh, I.
Yabo abangani bami.
Maybe you
labo.
should go and date to Princess. I don't know.
One princess mfana.
Oh wait,
Who
wait.
is?
That's my friend. Wait, we go happy relationship.
I
so
know.
She can't.
But
She's
you know
in
my
it, and
cousin.
it's good. It's good for her. You know, like it's good for her.
I love it.
And so we should not sing her last the talk. You know, like
It's all last, darling. Nethemba.
and people,
That's
I
also
don't
to do-
understand. Ne, are we friends? You know now.
Yeah, I can say.
We
Consider
are
that.
friends, ne?
Yeah.
But why you don't want to see me happy with another friend of yours?
Ayakho khona ukujola abangani abajolayo.
Abangani bajulani kanjani?
Kanjani?
What if it was destined? What if I'm the right
Fair too.
person for
Yazi
you?
ifana nani ne? It's that thing ukuthi ne mawuzothi ne maybe we are exes. And then ngifuna umngane wakho.
Yeah, like noma ngiya-understand.
No,
What if
but
it's
it's like
soulmate
that.
yakho loyo muntu loyo?
like
What
that.
if I
What
don't-
if it's soulmate yakho?
like-
You know, ne, me, ne, speaking from
How
my
do you
side,
take that?
I don't believe in this thing, yeah, bro code.
Nam-
I don't
nam-
have
I-
it.
nam- nam- I
Like,
don't have it,
If
my
if me exam, you feel like it's going to make you happy, go for it.
Ilazi.
Now I will
Fair
support
too.
you.
Fair too.
Mina engizolisana now, it's you dating umntana sekhaya. Yabo.
Why?
Because I'm your friend and I know your capability and then I
Ah,
know
my
what you
brother.
do. I don't care if you uheta ex yami.
Ah,
I don't care. Angnanda
Umntana yini?
ex. Umntana
Umntana.
sekhaya dog can really affect the family. What if umhete then she commits suicide? Then the family yasekhaya yeah affecteka by le nto leyo.
No, my
Uyangithola?
brother, it's on here.
No, Maru
If
uyangithola.
you- No, but
no,
I-
listen. I want you to listen ukuthi ngithini. Uyangithola ukuthi ngithini.
I feel like you're
Nanya-
gatekeeping
Whoa,
food.
Whoa, Pet, do you understand what I'm saying to you?
I
Do
get it,
you
but
understand what I'm saying to you? No, like, do you? I need to know what you understand now.
Una you sis wena qala.
I have two sisters.
So let's say ngjola usisi
Ujola,
wakho,
no,
ngjola
ngjola
usisi wakho nemina.
Hey, it's on here, my brother.
It's on her.
Unamanga.
Lalela, indaba manje awufuni ukungilalela.
I've always been like that,
Yeah,
man.
it's on her ne. Then ngiyajola naye ngiyamhetha. She commits suicide. Ane? Or she end up ema drug. Le nto le angeke affect nini kini? Ngiphendule, angeke ini affect.
Continue being friends Nonovich after your sister does that. Ajole nosisi wakho amithise amshiye angabhadali child support bese ungathi ube ngumngane Nonovich because it's on her.
I don't know, because
No,
I don't know, my brother. I
Speak
don't want-
reality, dog. Speak reality.
I don't know.
Speak reality. No.
Mina, I'm not-
Okay, ucommit. Let's say usisi wakho ne breadwinner endlini. Breadwinner endlini. Then she commits suicide. And sana you are losing a what a breadwinner. Angeke ini affect le nto le.
Obviously, it's gonna affect.
So do you feel it right ukuthi ngene ngijole nosisi wakho? Do you feel it right
You're
now?
wrong, Pet. Just accept and move
Simple,
on.
dog.
You know, I don't take it like
It's
that. man.
wrong.
You don't take it
I-
like that. Angeke in affect yebo noma cha. Uthi yeah izon affect.
Yes.
So but ku right ukuthi ngijole naye. So when you don't weigh your
In
options.
fact, I don't know how the relationship is gonna turn out. So
Okay, let's
where
say
am
it
I
turn
to
out
judge?
within your
So
head.
why do I have to think on the negative side?
Like you need to look at both sides.
Yes,
dog.
that's the thing. Why you looking at the wrong side and never looking on the bright side?
Should I look at the bright side ngikwazi?
Yes.
Tagiwe.
Not
Ngikwazi.
oh, so when you believe good,
I wouldn't
people
allow
don't
you
change.
to date. Mina tang, I will do.
People don't
by-
change now.
Mina I will do by any means necessary ukuthi mina wena nosisi wakho nosisi wami nihlukane.
Why would you do that,
Because I know ukuthi and then
my brother? So when you
Uyi-leopard,
believe
dog.
good, people don't change.
umngani wami uyileopard.
People don't change now.
Yeah, bayachange abantu but not you. Because
what do you-
ngiyakwazi, not you. Ngiyakwazi.
Why you
will never
motivate
change.
me?
And you have proved me a lot of times. Angeke uthi ndeni namhlanje ngijola nothando. Thando does everything for wena. She meets the requirements bese uyamhetha and umhetha kanje mina ngiyazi. Uyacaba. So yini ezokuyenza ukuthi then ungahethi
My
usisi wami?
brother uzenenye.
Ngiyakena.
You know that I'm a changed person.
No, you
And you know ukuthi mina I've always been like
you will
in
never change.
Pat,
My
stop lying
brother.
to yourself.
Stop
man.
lying.
Kanjani? Okay,
yourself.
sharp. Wasn't I in a happy relationship the time I posted my girlfriend? You guys, what are you saying about me? Oh, like you were
Bongamfebelo.
being unfeeling. I've never.
Bomfebelo.
I know.
Bomfebelo.
No, you don't
Let's
know.
talk. We are friends.
You know nothing.
You pass me
Pets.
your phone. We on your DMs. Be
Pets.
like, I can see that you are sliding, bruh.
No, my brother.
Brother, we are
Pets are
friends.
manga,
My
man.
brother.
Close friends, dog. we
You
are close
speaking
friends.
about something that happened like another.
Okay,
At that time.
Njoleni.
Me and her would think we dated like December.
December.
Thereafter, how many
Askaga approaching no June. We are not even halfway
It
there
ended
yet.
like March.
Senhlukene.
It ended March.
You see, iyafana ne 2 minutes.
But either way, Mamela azange amchithela. It happened Gucci. It was the situations.
Yeah, azange umchithele. And
Yes.
it's not like monga cheat.
I've been a cheat vele. I'd never fucked another girl.
I don't like to
besides her.
expose you like that, dog.
Let's leave it, my brother.
I don't like to expose you
Let's
like
leave
that.
it. But you know, Gucci, you know that
I don't
I'm
like
a
to
changed
expose
person.
you like
Even
that.
now, you know.
But on a serious note, dog, like
Yeah.
people should hook me up nje nomngani wakhe. From today, ahamba yokhuluma naye amtshela ukuthi and then Novich is the right candidate for you.
I think there are some things that I've heard, ne? And I don't know if they're true. Uguti, gays contract HIV more than like
Yeah, I feel
opposite.
like that's true.
Yeah, because you know why?
Why?
Bashanyama. But believe
No,
it or not.
no, it doesn't go with the nyama thing. Because even as a
It's anal, I think.
anal, ne, I think it.
Ama-piles
Contract.
kanjani? Awani-parts ama-piles.
Ayabaphatha abanye.
Wena wakuphatha.
Wena
Angihambi ngilala phela.
But you should
Mara,
do what girls do, man.
Oh,
You should
yeah. With your
amalala
house.
every now and then, man.
No,
Vish.
Vish, angeke ngihaving sex today. You know?
So,
People,
yeah,
inyashi izodliwa yibungu emathoneni. You should go around and kambalala.
Like, like-
Do what
Yes,
girls
phana
do.
ngayo.
Go around and kambalala. You know,
Phana
you
ngayo.
girls, you always
Phana
phana
ngayo.
ngayo.
Like you can't wanna book my balithi keke kanje
Like
kuvi.
phana ngayo.
Phana ngayo,
Doesn't
man.
matter, dog.
Wena ulethe spoon ngani?
Doesn't matter. Phana ngayo.
Kuyabona mama setha kanje ngis.
So after having
Mabalala
sex,
kanje.
angisho nithi kubhlungu. Like ukuhlala.
Ukuhlala.
I'll tell her go right, guys.
Hayi bo.
Go right, like.
Asho
Like
into
it's
uthola
normal.
abathubingi, uthola abathubingi ngeza shi.
Right.
Ushilo
Go
big words
right.
Akayifuni.
So umuntu wakho nje bangasimishi inkulu.
Mara unama ushilo ukuthi uBibo mara you are playing us. You don't wanna akafuna ukhipha indaba uBibo.
Indaba ziphi phetha? Ngiyasho ukuthi
Uyamsmash umuntu wakho.
no, yazi akazi like I swear to
Okay,
God.
you don't smash, you suck it. But konje but yini lento le
Iphe.
bayenzayo?
Ible.
A house
No,
No.
not the holes.
elemnyama.
Only
Lollipop.
holes elimnyama. Only the holes.
Hayi bo.
Yeah.
Esibunu. Oh.
Hayi
Cishe ngithi nilenza kanje isibunu hayi bo.
No.
So yena akakhothi imbobo yethi.
Have you ever had a dildo?
You know.
Would you do it? If your man says I wanna do a
never
dildo.
that.
Awukazi wamafa, akazi wakumafa.
Or rimming. Have you
Yeah,
ever done
rimming.
rimming? My brother
Rimming.
say rimming. Akazi yenza rimming.
Kebanyenza but
Ah,
nice?
Oh.
Is it nice?
no guys.
What the fuck? Omunye
Cabanga
udlisiba.
like bayenza bona I never mean.
Oh yena benzeni?
Ngishaya ama blow job guys.
Oh, wena shama blow.
50
Uyayishaya.
rand.
Untswe.
50 rand blow. Hayi wena.
Thengani guys.
Nzile 50. Supportani uyadayisa.
Uma 50 lo.
Uma 50. Cela mani mbona nithi uBibo wama 50.
Uma 50. uBibo wama 50 and
Yeah,
50
uBibo wama
rand
50
iBibo. iBibo vele kudala
Aye.
idura kuyi 50 rand ipack.
Bayenza mara.
So rimming okay sharp how did it feel mabagirima?
Ayazange feel next mina.
Mfana khona inkazana beyithangirima mfana.
busy nalo muntu loyo like ansho uthi phakama imizwa ngisho.
Awuvukela.
Yeah,
Bese uyaphakama.
Yeah.
So
Awuvukela.
naye iyavuka.
Yeah.
Bese
Uma
uyachama.
kuthi uvukelwa mas.
No, utheme akavukela makane chain.
Oh makane chi.
So umuntu
Chama.
yeah.
Chama like spam.
Yeah.
La ku spam.
Ay.
Awungitsho ukuthi akazwashaya indlaba. Khashaya indlaba.
Guys. Imoya emibi.
Moya emibi kanjani?
Imoya emibi.
Moya emibi
Akazwashaya indlaba.
kanjani?
But indlwabe
akaze wayishana hayi man there's no man ongakaze ashaya indlwabe
hayi mina akazi ke cabanga.
I believe you. Mina I believe you
first
Mina I believe you ukuthi awukazi but leyo ukuthi ndeni abakazi bakuchamisa no ways.
Abakazi bangichamisa kanjani la?
awazi ama-spams wena akaze
So
wakhipha
awukazi
ama-spams
abakazi bakuchamisa awukazi wabachamisa.
Hayi chamisana ngiyachamisa.
akaze waphuma akaze wakhipha ama-spams wena awazi ama-spams wena
Ngiyawazi ama-spams of course. Wow guys like
Stuka somoya akazi bamba.
nabo yini lezi le. Yabafana.
Yeah, istuka somoya. Lesu picture you have bese.
Marindlwabe guys. Stop
Indlwabe no.
doing that.
that
Mzofa,
means
guys.
yamuzwa upipo ne awumuzwa ne yazi athini upipo
Uthini?
athi upipo akaze ashaya indlwabe ne but uyawazi ama-spams wakhe
Hayi ba kunokuthi like umuntu makaphansi like i-flat dog yabo. Like of course like
ngithi ama-spams wakho
ngiyawazi ama-spams wami of course like iyaphuma.
hayi bo aphuma
There's friction during black dog. Catch up.
Ngitsando yo fuck
case.
guys like flat dog guys. Hayi ba it's a friction.
Manamiyenza eventually ikwa yakhe. I don't blame you. Mufunde Thandisberg.
Flat dog.
no
yeah.
but hayi
in?
madoda yabona
But
that thing
ini experience uzobona.
Okay, I want to ask you something. Ne?
What?
It's out of topic. Ne? Let's say okay, since you say you are dating, ne? Okay, a nigga approach you, ne? Approach kanjalo ucela ukuthi then let's go out on a date. Ane uyavuma. Akusumuntu wakho ngisho. Mawufika da, ane let's say umjita umngani wakho uzwana nomuntu omaziyo. Ane loyo muntu loyo umaziyo like uyamazi umuntu kamngani wakho. Okay, let's say for instance ne ufika kuleyo restaurant ne uphume nomunye umuntu
yeah.
ane then ubona umuntu kawewe unomunye umuntu ane and umuntu kawewe nomuntu wakho bayazwana like they talk yabo sometimes you pull up nomuntu wakho nowewe pull up nomuntu wakho yeah. There's some sort of bond ne would you tell uwewe ukuthi then ubone
into
into yakhe don't you feel like naye uzomtshela
uzokuceba snitching on snitching
and there's a lot at stake makakuceba
hey
There's a lot of
Umngani wami
but now uchithela umngani wakhe mos
na uchithela umngani wakhe and there's a lot at stake let's say baqeda ukucolela maye
Manje,
bane mantako baqeda ukucolela then umthola e-restaurant uhleli nomunye ucherry and uyabona the way bakhosing akhona ukuthi yeah they are dating and then now there's no way you can go out nomunye umuntu okay man pull up lapha nibambene ngezandla uyakubona uyambona what would you do? Would you tell uwewe or keep it as a secret to save yourself or
oh friend I'm sorry ngeke ngikutshela shame
ha
angisho nami mara ngiku
Dala bangasitsheli
so
nathi.
mjolo before friends
Dala bangasitsheli
indoda
nje.
kuqala
indoda kuqala mara
would you snitch yona my brother
yeah now we'll tell you
why
my brother you know you are lying
not talk to be honest I will tell you
you know you are
doesn't
lying.
matter ukuthi ndeni
Bangithithela.
yazwa ngisho kanjalo
as amachita thina
Yazi why ngisho kanjalo.
ayiyekele no thina sikutshela indirect iyekele le cherry mfana
yazwa ngisho kanjalo ntanga mina ukuthi ndeni ngakutshela ukuthi ngibone icherry yakho dog
Ibamba uzibani-bani.
nomuntu ona kanjina uyacafa I'll rather lose umabhebeza than ukuluza wena
Yeah.
you know why because I know you will stay true to me but if uyakhona ukuthi ndeni ngifihle shuthi ndeni ngingayishare icherry yakho then isifihle
yeah and there are a lot of things with
baningi abadlelwayo
baningi abadlelwayo
engibakenayo
fucked
and
up.
mina people mangabona umuntu wakho ngihamba nomuntu ongasowami mina ngakutshela naye umuntu wakho ngamtshela ukuthi ngiyomtshela uBhibo
naye noma ngicebe it's fine eyami ngizokwazi ku-ash crying but
mara
wena
mina umjita
ngiyazi
wami ngeke ngimcebe wena ngeke ngikucebe
But ucherry ngizo-
mangangihook up nomngane wakho
oh no visto yeah ngizokutshela
and so uyamazi wena lo ulo bekashute nabagcoke red
no
Akusuye loyo.
no
khona lapha
you see that
imphumile
one you see that one
Uye, ne?
she's perfect for me
No,
Omunye nje,
ngithi
umngani
mina.
wami nje.
No, ngithi khona lo guy bekaphume naye. Bagqoke
Bekaphume noBiwo?
hood. Yeah. Bagqoke red, bagqoke ishort that day man. Bo shoot mara yena bekabhekile azifihlile uguy.
Ngigqoke shots.
Yeah.
Net jacket like
Yeah,
i-shirt elimnyama.
yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
uye loyo.
Yes.
Oh, ungibonise boy.
Ayikamazi ebusweni.
No,
Yo,
ngifuna
ubhekisele.
Athi ubhekele. Yeah, mina ngifuna ukubona leso sithombe
And
sinza.
then maybe ngamrecognize ne ngokumbona ne.
Umbongo.
Andihlala emgungs ngiyadlala.
Ndihlala emgungu. Mgungu niggas are nice.
Mgungs-
ne? Like bana
Kuyajoleka emgungu, ne?
Kuyajoleka emgungu.
Ngiyajoleka.
Mara vele like we see by you my brother.
No,
A lot
I'm no
of-
longer
a lot of the-
I'm no longer Mgungs material, but I used to represent Mgungs.
Yes.
That's why mengithi
Cherry
kuphela
Yeah, thina vele mina.
umfana omuhle Mgungs. Like
Mina,
Bangwisa and stuff
mina-
like that. It's not a
And
bad thing.
I don't know how he portrays me as umuntu ofebayo, ma I've never even been in a picture of
That's who
febing.
you are.
Yes.
You are a bad liar. Stop trying hard, dog.
No, I'm not a bad
You are really a bad liar.
But you know me, my
You are really a bad liar.
When we are fair, pets. Awufebe?
bengifebe umngano.
No, angazi bekaka bekangakafiki.
There are things umngane wakho bekangakutsheli zona.
No, bengakabi close naye.
And
At that time.
Angeke
But
uthi ugeza bese uhamba nonyawupi.
kanjani, what do you
Angeke uthi ugeza
Hayibo,
uba
what's that
muhle.
thing?
no vision
Unyawupi
wena.
uskima unyawupi dog. Unyawupi
Ungamskima
uskima unyawupi.
Angamskima unyawupi.
Wena ungamskima unyawupi.
Yes.
Because bazothi nawo ubheme unyawupi. Like bathini? Fana no
My friend.
yazi kufana nani? Ithi kuchazele ne.
My friend with HIV is still
Yizokutshela.
my friend.
No, HIV nabo nyawupi
My friend, my friend
No,
who
dog,
smokes
you can't-
nyawupi is still my
You
friend.
can't inhale. You can't
All I'm
inhale.
saying,
Baba.
you see,
Pets ntanga. You can't inhale ubu HIV. dog.
Mara, whoa, guys.
mina nginaye.
Pets, you are lying.
Untokozo ohlala enkamini yami.
Ntanga, you are lying. Uyabazi angeke uhlale naye kanje.
Ngiyahlala naye
Mara,
ngiyamboleka
whoa,
nejezi.
Ah, you're lying.
Whoa, like uwe bekabhema insangu. Ngihamba nowiwi ngayibhema insangu.
Yeah, but khona into eni common kuyo. Mhlambe ni common ngobufebe. Mhlambe ni common ngokutshontsha. Phela asi like ayazi mina as mangikhuluma ngonyapa I was trying to make an example.
Yeah,
Yabo menyenza i-example. Ngithi angeke uskime unyawupe ungasi unyawupe.
yeah.
Uyangithola. So uphetha angeke askime ama-groovist angasi groovist. Yabo.
But it happens, my brother, all the time.
It happens all the time.
When I pets,
It's
And
a
yeah,
rare.
Mamela,
And
there are
then
people
Hila,
who
we are
go to
speaking
groove
about you.
and drink water. That doesn't make you a groovist.
Dog, groovist akusho ukuthi then ufi dog mose groovini uyi groovist. Use groovini. Use groovini.
So
Awusi alcoholic uyi groovist. Damn nigga. Ngisasho namanje angikublame ufunde tears. Ngiunderstand. Uyacaba.
Thandisibele.
Angikublame ufunde
It is
thandisibele.
what it
Awusi
is.
alcoholic uyi groovist.
wena bewufunda pen.
Yeah, ngifunde
But
Brakpan High
bayafunda
then ngafunde
ukuze.
NN.
Okay,
No, mengifunde Brakpan High ngafunde NN. Mengifuna ukuyofunda TS ne. Problem.
Bekasifunda lesikole sesingafundisi.
Azange bafune, yabo.
Why?
Like like
Toxic.
abaphansi azange bafune ukuthi ngiyofunda khona because bangitsho ukuthi abana space ka grade 9 mangifika and mengiphasela grade 9. But ngiyofunda grade 8 and I was like no, that's below the standard.
Obe bakubusele
Mina bangibusele
You
emuva.
were supposed
Uyibusela
to do
kanjani
it.
student mfethu like ngibuya la bengibhadala khona school fees every month. Cela ufuna ngizophinda igrade ngiphasile. Like ngahlala iviki ngingasitholi space.
Wait,
Yabo
and-
until kufika abantu base Department of Education bafika aser yabo. So since ubhuti wami naye afunde kakhulu then wahamba wayekhuluma nabo isilungu yabo. Problem ukuthi azange abatshele ukuthi ngifuna ukuyofundaphi. So lapha yana bambhalela iletter ene stamp yabo ukuthi and then no yena shoot lo umuntu loyo wavele wabhala ukuthini Ndebele. Ujida wabuya neletha wanginika wathi kusasuhamba esikoleni fika ubanikele letter. Uyacaba. Nga overtake abantu bebase lineini but bafuna ubona uprincipal. Ngenxa yalelo letha safike sayinika HR ayinika principal wathi cela ubona loyo mfana. Uyacaba. Ngathi
Babona
mangifika-
ama-high marks.
Yeah, ngathi ngafika ne
Ma-flying
report.
colours.
Ngafika nalela phepha naleya letter. They took me straight to iclassini. Uyacaba. Bangifaka eclassini.
But uhlala la.
Wena hlala la ufunde la.
And uhlala phambili, front row.
Dog mengahlali phambili. Uyacaba.
But
Okay.
are you sure like the smart ones they sit in front?
No,
That's
I
what
was
they
not
say.
smart. I looked smart. Mengeko smart.
But you say your
No,
issue.
I was
my
full no.
brother.
Mengeko smart. I looked smart because of confident. But story for another day. You still out here. It's Polo Tepozi. Mpete upibo. Top togozile like on.
Ilena thina besingaphuza amabhibo besidla ijuice. Ikonje bayibiza ngani i-tropic no
maphuza i-tropic umncane.
No
way.
Shama, I made a mistake, man. I made a
Lie.
mistake.
Thank you for coming, Bibo Jone. Thank you for
Appreciate
chopping
your
it up
time.
with us. Ne. Please tell your friends to subscribe, like, and share, and comment. And they bukele le
Bas
podcast.
mention
And
the foods.
they share. Now we share. Yeah,
Nambang follow guys.
Now back follow. Please follow
Ubani?
people. And we are thingisa.
Uma 50.
Uma 50.
Uma
We are
50.
thingisa. Uma 50.
What's your socials?
Okay,
Yeah.
Instagram, he's _Njabulo. TikTok also. And then Facebook, Njabulo Apramashini. Yeah,
Yeah, that's it.
that's it.
Please subscribe, like, and share. We on YouTube at AMP. About Melody Podcast, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok.
Where?
Wonke ama social media. You can even hit me up personally. Ngiyeza kuwe sizo podcaster kwakho. Mara ama-nurse, I'm into ama-nurse mina.
Yo, dog. What's
Passionate
the thing?
about
What's the
nurse.
thing about nurses and
Ngithanda ama-nurse. Like bakutreat-a njengeqanda le-Grootman.
Mfethu,
mara
bakuthengele
uyi-Grootman. Uyangithola?
single polo?
Yeah, bakuthengele ipholo. Angithandi umosha amateki
Pure
ipholo.
polo.
Uvalelekile ku-bedroom.
La Costa.
Angithandi ukuthi ngivalelekile ku-bedroom apartment.
Apartment. Abadlali la bayandoda. Abadlali. Indoda abo Thanos.
Yeah, Thanos like yabo. I'm inevitable.
Inevitable.
Yeah.
With the
This is
step
your
of
boy
a
Novich
finger.
DMC intwana sekasi namaphupha sedolobheni. Sipolo Tepozi. Ngicela nisketch futhi next week same time same place. It's the Slay.
Always.
You know what it do? We know. Danko.